Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to another of my Smugmug Quick Tips. In this video, we are going to look at how you can set up a print mark to be printed on your final print product that you sell through Smugmug, and also what backprinting is and how you can also set that up. Now, in order to do this, you need to obviously have an account, either a pro account or a portfolio account that enables you to sell prints through Smugmug. Now, as always, for full disclosure, I am an affiliate of Smugmug, so if you click any of the links that I give you, I will receive a small commission for that, but at no extra cost to yourself. And in fact, as an affiliate, I can also offer you a 15% discount on any Smugmug plans that you take out. So the link down in the description will automatically give you that 15% discount, and you can click through and you can sign up for the free 14-day trial, which is no obligation. You don't have to enter your credit card details, and at the end of the 14 days, if you do decide to take out a plan, that 15% discount will be automatically applied. You won't need to enter any codes or anything like that. So let's get started. So when you're in your dashboard, if you've obviously if you have a portfolio or a pro account, you're going to get this option up here called selling tools. So the quickest way then to go to where you need to go is to click selling tools, and down here under branding, click manage, and that will bring you to this page here. You can also find it in account settings, business, under branding. Now, in the last video we looked at setting up watermarks, so it's in the same area where the watermarks are. So for print marks, come under print marks and click manage, and you need to set up a print mark. Now, I've already got one set up here, and now unlike the watermarks will appear on your images across your website, but they won't appear on the final print. A print mark will appear on the final print. So you need to set this up with that in mind. Yeah, the idea is basically that when you sell a print, you can put either a little bit of text down in the bottom, typically your name. Some people like to buy photos, they like to have the photographer's name down in the corner, or a small logo or something like that. Some don't, it depends. But what you can do is you can set up print marks, and you could have galleries with print marks, and you could have that same gallery without a print mark. Obviously, you know, you could maybe charge a higher price for the print without the print mark and a lower price for the print with the print mark. It's entirely up to you. But once you've created the print marks, very much like the watermarks, you can selectively choose where to apply these print marks. You can apply them across the board, across all your images, or you can apply them to specific galleries. So to set it up, click create. Now you can set up as many different print marks as you like, just like with the watermarks. You can set up a text print mark, so that could typically be your name. Now you don't want to put too much down here, of course, because this is going to appear on the front of the print, on the picture itself, so you really don't want to put too much down there. I think it's enough then that the photographer's name is down there. So set up the text, choose the font. I like Roboto, so we'll leave it at that. Choose the text color, come down here and choose the location. I think when it comes to a print mark, bottom right is probably the best. It's unobtrusive. It's, you know, you don't want to stick it in the middle, and you don't even, I think, want to put it at the top. You want to put it down in the corner, bottom right corner, or maybe bottom left corner, but again, it's entirely up to you. You can choose. You can fade it a bit, which I think is not a bad idea actually, because you don't want your print mark and your name to be dominant in the picture really. You'd want it to be nice and subtle. So you can apply some opacity to it, 60% maybe, so it's nice and subtle. And then if people are, people have hung this in their wall or in their office or wherever, somebody walking past, oh, that's a lovely picture, they see your name and they have your name in their head. So I think that's enough personally. Once you've set everything up, then you just simply click create. Oh, you need to give it a name, so you can just say name. Now that will appear in your print mark. So now I've got 2 print marks. See, and I can preview those print marks by selecting it. We can change the sample to see how it's going to look on different images. Yeah. Now if you want to create an image print mark, just like we saw then, we just simply select image and we click. We can upload a new photo if you haven't already, or choose from one you've already got. I've already got a gallery set up for Watermark images, so I can go here and I can choose one of these logos here. So I could choose maybe that one this time. Click done. Okay, now again it's appeared up here. I don't want it here. So again I can choose bottom right, give it a name, logo, location, again add some opacity to it, maybe 60%, so it's nice and subtle. Oh, name already exists, so I'll call that logo 2. Now again we can change the sample to see how that looks. So at any time, if you're not happy with what you've created, you can simply select the logo, come down here and click edit, and you can start all over again. It will default to text, so just go back to image and your image is there again. And in this case what I could do, for example, is I can increase the opacity on it, make it 80% this time, and just save again. So you can do that with anything, and you can set up as many print marks as you like. Then go back to organize, and if you want to apply them with nothing set up, click settings and you'll get bulk gallery settings. Go to shopping, tick print mark, and choose the print mark that you've set up. So if I click logo 2, that will apply that print mark across all my galleries in bulk. If I want to do it just on a specific gallery, then select the gallery and click settings and go into the gallery settings for that gallery, and again go to shopping, print mark, logo 2, and save. Now backprinting. Again, let's go to selling tools, branding, manage, and this time backprinting, manage. Now if we go in here, we can do site-wide backprinting. So what that means is that anything we apply here will be applied across all of your images. Every image that gets bought and printed will have this backprinting text applied to it. Now you can write your own text in here quite simply. You could put whatever you want. It will be printed on the back of the print, so it won't be visible on the front. So it won't. You can put something simple like, "Thank you for your purchase. Please visit my website, ianmiddletonphotography.com," for example. We could put that on there and then just click save, and that will be printed on the back of every print that gets bought from my website. Or you can choose something like this. Yeah, so you could have the name, your name, nickname, something like that. You can choose from these standardized options, email address, contact. Yeah, you could just click any of these that you want to add. But if you don't want to apply it site-wide, if you only want to apply it to a specific gallery, then go back to Organize. Select the gallery or multiple galleries if you want. Click Settings. Again, come down to Shopping. And here in this box, write your text. So here, you can simply say the same thing again. Thank you for your purchase. Please check out my website, blah, blah, blah. Up to 40 characters it will allow you. And if you type that in there and you save that, then that backprinting will be applied to any images that are bought from that specific gallery. Likewise, you can choose, say, these 4 galleries, go into Settings, Shopping, and set up backprinting, which will then be applied to all of the galleries that you've selected. Okay, so there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this Smugmug Quick Tip, and if you did, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. Catch you later.